Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic theory course. In today's class, we will solve one problem related to seat of charge. Okay, here they provided what? The finite seat 0 is less than x is less than 1, 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 1 on the z equal to 0 plane. Means what? X, y are variables means z is some constant means that is xy plane, or else z equal to some constant plane. Here they provided z equal to 0 plane. X, y are variables. As a charge density of rho s. Rho s means what? Surface charge density, or else sheet charge density. Xy into this under root. Okay, so xy into x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2 nano coulombs per meter square. Nano, it is nano coulombs per meter square. Find the total charge of the sheet. First, let us write the given data. Z equal to 0 plane. Plane is what? Z equal to 0 plane, or else let us write this given solution. Okay, let us write the given data. Given data. So 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, and 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 1, and another one is what? Rho s. Rho s. Rho s is also given. What is rho s? We have the rho s. Rho s is xy into x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2 nano coulombs per meter square. Basically the unit of surface charge density is coulombs per meter square. They asked what? Find q. We need to determine the q. Now determine this q. How we can determine this q? Q can be determined by using the relationship between q and rho s. Okay, for the surface charge, q equal to what? We know that q equal to what? Q can be written q equal to integral rho s ds. Rho s ds. ds means what? Differential surface area normal to what? Given plane, that is z equal to 0 plane. Z equal to 0 plane means xy plane. So that's why rho s is what? It can be written as rho s ds means differential surface area normal to x, z means dx dy. Since the given plane is xy plane, x and y are variable, whereas z is constant, x equal to and z equal to 0 plane. So z equal to 0 plane means what? Xy plane. So that's why x, y are variables. We can take ds as what? Dx dy. Q is a scalar quantity. No need to go for the direction. Basically ds means what? Dx dy into az. No need to go for the direction, since q is what? A scalar quantity. Now let us substitute rho s. What about rho s? Rho s. So that is surface integral, or else double integral. We can write double integral. It is surface integral. Okay, here double integral means integration with respect to x and y. Here clearly it shows that integration with respect to x and y means double integral. So double integral rho s. What about the rho s value? Xy into x into y into x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2 dx into dy into nano coulombs, or else 10 to the power minus 3, since it is 10 nano coulombs per meter square. If it is coulombs per meter square, we can leave this one like this, that is into nano coulombs. Now simplify this one. So we can write limits like this, that is y is from y equal to 0 to 1 and x is from 0 to 1. Okay, x is varied from 0 to 1, y is also varied from 0 to 1. Now perform integration with respect to x, means we need to write the y components out of this integration. So y is 0 to 1, and remaining integration is what? So this is y into dy, and next x equal to 0 to 1. Let us write the x components inside this integration. Y should be written outside of the integration because it is treated as constant. Now we can write this one as what? X square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2, and it is what? Dx dy, dx into dy dx into dy nano coulombs. Now it is q value. Okay, or else remove this part. Okay, now go for this. That is what it is. Q implies like this. Now we can write this thing like this, that is q equal to y is 0 to 1, y is 0 to 1, y into integral x equal to 0 to 1. We can write this one, that is x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2 can be written, dx can be written as what, d of 1 by 2 x square. D of 1 by 2 x square gives what, dx only, into dy nano coulombs. Now simplify this, that is q here integral y equal to 0 to 1, y into, so perform the integration, that is what, if I perform the integration with respect to x square, we will get what, that is 1 by 2 here. First write 1 by 2, that 1 by 2 here, and we can write this one as what, x square plus y square okay, x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 means what, that is 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Limits are from where to where? Limits are from where to where? That is 0 to 1, 0 to 1 into dy nano coulombs. Now let us simplify this part also. Now go for what, that is, it implies q is equal to what, this 1 by 2 5 by 2, 1 by 2 into 2 by 5, 1 by 2 into 2 by 5, integral y equal to 0 to 1, y into remaining part. What about the remaining part? The integration of x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2 is this part, that is x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 with respect to this d of x square. Now upper limit is 1 and lower limit is 0. So this can be written as what? So for the upper limit we will get x as 1, we need to substitute x as 1, that is 1 plus 25, that means what, y into y square plus 26, y square plus 26 whole power 5 by 2 minus y square plus 26 whole power 5 by 2. And next, if you substitute x as 0, then we will get what, that is y square into y square into okay, sorry to say this, basically x into dx is what, d of 1 by 2 x square, d of 1 by 2 x square. Okay, so but I wrote dx as what, dx as 1 by 2 differentiation of 1 by 2 x square. Please please make a note of it. Basically rho s is given as what, xy into x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2. So that xy is given as what, q equal to integral rho s ds. Okay, means xy into this one. Okay, if I multiply this one, x into y, x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2 dx dy, ds is dx dy. Okay, please make a note of it. Basically x into dx can be written as what, d of 1 by 2 x square. If I simplify this one, we will get like this, and after this we got like this, that is 1 by 2 and 5 by 2 can be written as what, 2 by 5 as it is in the denominator, y into y square plus 26 whole power 5 by 2 plus y square, so 0, this one is 0, y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2, okay, into dy, so I will rub this part, dy into nanocoulombs. Now simplify this also, we will get what, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 5, that gives what, this one cancel out, that is 1 by 5, and here y. So this can be written like this, that is y equal to 0 to 1, y equal to 0 to 1. Y into dy can be written as what, we can write this part, that is y square plus 26 whole power, of course this y into this one, nanocoulombs. This y is common to both, y square plus 26 whole power 5 by 2 minus y square plus 25, I wrote here 3 by 2, but it is 5 by 2, okay. Y into dy can be written as what, y into this dy can be written as what, differentiation of 1 by 2 y square, into nanocoulombs, Now let us simplify this one. Means what, here perform the integration with respect to that y square, this one is common, this differentiation of 1 by 2 y square. Now let us perform, so send this 1 by 2 here, that is constant, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2, that is what, 1 by 10, and integration of this one, y square plus 26 whole power 5 by 2 with respect to y square gives what, that is y square plus 26 whole power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. Limits are from 0 to 1 for the first one, and second term, for the second term, this 1 by 10 is common, y square plus 26 whole power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2, limits are from 0 to 1, and this one y square plus 25 5 by 2 plus whole power 5 by 2 plus 1, that gives what, 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2, okay. Limits are from where to where, 0 to 1, okay. Now we can take this 7 by 2 as common, that equal to what, this can be written as like this, 1 by 10, 7 by 2 can be written as what, 2 by 7, as it is in the denominator. Now let us substitute upper limit and lower limit. For this one, if I substitute upper limit, that gives what, 27, okay, 27 whole power 7 by 2 minus, so if I substitute lower limit here, that is 26 whole power 7 by 2 minus, as I have minus sign, okay. For the upper limit it becomes what, that is 1, so that means what, 26 whole power 7 by 2, and lower limit, that is negative, here also negative, that means what, plus 25 whole power 25, okay, whole power 0 plus 25 whole power 7 by 2 into this one, this part, that is 2 by 7 in this one. So that means what, it can be written as, in the simplified one can be written as what, so basically it is q is equal to 1 by 35, 10 into 7, that is 70, 70 by the 2 by 70, that gives 1 by 35. First let us write this 27 positive terms, that is 27 whole power 7 by 2, and here minus 26, that means, okay, plus positive, that is 25 7 by 2 minus, okay, I will write this one here, that is q equal to 1 by 35. Let us write positive terms, that is 27 whole power 7 by 2, and next positive term is plus 25 whole power 7 by 2 minus, here minus 26, that is 2 into, okay, we can take this one as like this, that is and simplify this one, you will get definitely that is q equal to what that. And I forgot one thing, it is nanocoulomb, here also nanocoulomb, here also nanocoulomb, here also this one into nanocoulomb, this one into nanocoulomb, means finally you will get q equal to 33 point, q is 33.15 nanocoulomb. Okay, basically here a problem related towards simplification, that is q equal to integral rho s ds. Rho s is given, so that is what xy into x square plus y square plus 25 whole power 3 by 2 ds, differential surface area normal to the given plane. Plane is z equal to 0 plane, means ds is what dx dy. And if you simplify this one, you will get what answer as q as 33.15 nano coulombs. This is all about today's class. We will meet in next class.